Hey everybody, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 Forestriver Alpha Wolf 29QB. We're going to take a few minutes, walk you around the inside and the outside of this new 2020 Alpha Wolf. All right guys, we are looking at the front section. We're looking forward from the rear, and you have a U-shaped dinette. Does go down, make into a bed. Has two pull-out drawers. This is kind of nice, so it's easier to get to your storage area here. But nice big drawers right there. Huge drawers. And it makes it a little easier so you don't always have to raise up the cushions and stuff like that to get to that storage. And you can store stuff on the back side there too. Nice big windows, letting in plenty of natural light. There is a sofa over there that will make into a small bed. Has some storage underneath of that too. It's kind of nice that sofa actually points toward the TV. You can mount a flat screen TV on the wall right there. So you can do a little TV option right there. A lot of linoleum throughout the coach. It's got that wood grain look to it. The new Furrion oven with the 3-burner stovetop, glass stovetop cover. Has the light and glass door on the front. The LED lights built into the knobs there. Dometic 8 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. Nice feature there. You can use it on propane or electricity. A lot of brands now are going to residential or 12 volt only refrigerators. So a little different there. And here you can see the huge pantry. There's a light in there also, but nice big pantry. Spinning back around here, we're now looking toward the rear of the coach. Ducted air conditioning system, speakers in the ceiling. Sink does come with a sink cover that kind of matches the countertop, but it's also kind of an old style farm sink. One large sink, stainless undermount, high-rise faucet there. Traditional RV microwave up above, stove top with the stovetop range there with the light and fan built in. Window kind of lets you look out over the campsite area, does open. Stereo. The unit actually comes with a 1-year roadside safety hookup system here. This is Safe Ride RV Motor Club now. It used to be CoachNet, but the factory has changed companies on that side of things. In the back section is your bunk room for the kids. You have the little sliding barn door look there for a privacy door. It's a little nicer than a curtain. Electric outlet down there. Air conditioner and furnace controls there. Oh, I also forgot to mention down here below, there are a couple drawers down there and a little bit of storage behind there. Going on into the kids' room, they got a decent amount of floor space here. Big cubby hole down there, some cabinetry, and a counter area up there, along with TV hookups up there. Window overlooking the campsite, little ladder to get up on that side. Dual windows over there. Air conditioning and heat both in the bedroom area too. And they did their heat with a little side vents down there instead of in the floor. So that's a little different than some of the other models I've showed you. Spinning back around, we're going to walk up toward the front of the coach and into this section here. We're basically entering the hallway for the bathroom / bedroom area. And I got a little window here in the hallway, and again, pull down roller shades. So a little nicer shade system for the living area. And in the bedroom, you will actually have the nightshade you'll see when we get in there. Now, I like this bathroom. This bathroom has a pretty good amount of room in here to actually come in the coach, get dressed, get undressed kind of thing when you're trying to take a shower. Got the upgraded foot flush porcelain toilet. The tub is probably about, I'd say, 5 inches deep roughly, so you could give a small child a bath there if you needed to. ABS plastic tub surround there. Does have the skylight up above. Also, you have a turbo fan here to exhaust out that shower moisture. Going on around here into the bedroom area. Queen bed. TV hookups and stuff here on the wall. Door going into the bathroom also. Room to kind of get around the bed area. It is a little tight, but you do have some room to get around. USB chargers, electric outlets and stuff there on both sides of the bed. Individual lights above the bed. Hanging closets. Overall, pretty nice unit. Definitely a great unit if you have kids, need the extra sleeping capacity. All right, guys, we are going to head to the outside. Again, be sure to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in checking out more of my videos. All right, guys, we are now on the outside of this new 2020 Alpha Wolf 29QB. We're going to walk you around the outside real quick, let you check it out. On the outside, you have a fiberglass exterior. On the front, you have a white fiberglass cap. Has a couple blue LED lights there on the front section. LED running lights up top. Two 20-pound propane tanks on this unit. There's room for 1 or 2 batteries on the front of the coach. It comes with 1 battery standard from Couch's RV Nation. Diamond plate across the front section there. Power tongue jack. 2 5/16 hitch ball. Large pass-through storage across the front. I like how the doors swing. They have the nicer slam locks on them, but they do swing instead of flipping up and down. There's 2 LED lights inside of here. The bed and interior cabinets and walls are wood framed, but your side walls are actually aluminum studded construction. You have the upgraded MoreRide step on both entry doors. Now this first door goes into the bathroom, second door takes you into the back part of the coach. Power awning has a LED light strip built in. You can see it's blue right there. Has a tinted window. Screen door and entry door traditional. No window in the door, but you do have the radius top there to help protect the awning material versus some of the old square doors. TV hookups here on the side. You have 2 outdoor speakers there you can see lit up blue also. And there's a electric and cable outlet right there, TV mount, so you can mount the TV there. Aluminum wheels. These are 15-inch wheels. And they also do a little tire pressure gauge thingy right there. You can kind of see it right there. And that helps tell you what your tire pressure is and helps you from blowing out a tire. Tire pressure, very important when you're towing a coach. Black tank flush above the back wheel there to clean out the toilet system. Your refrigerator vent for maintenance there, stove exhaust vent there. Rear door basically the same as the front door. Large folding entry handle though on the rear door. Again, that's your main door to go in and out of the coach. Outside kitchen, pretty cool outside kitchen. Big refrigerator system right here. The little grill mounts on the back and swings around. Outside utility shower here, hot and cold. You have a little metal drawer. Little sink right there with hot and cold water, light there, cabinet there. But pretty cool refrigerator system. I'll swing this open here a little bit. A lot of them have a small fridge. This one is a little bit bigger than your typical outdoor kitchen fridge. So just a little bit of an improvement over some of the other brands that I also carry here. Now, down below, you can see the power stabilizer jacks. These are an option when ordering an Alpha Wolf. So normally you would have a manual jack, but we ordered these with the upgraded jack system on it. Propane hookup there for an outside grill. Fully enclosed bottom. Back up here some so you can see the rear of the coach a little bit better. Spare tire mounted on the back, does come with the tire cover. It's pre-wired for backup camera, so you can do the observation or backup camera if you want on the system. We do install the observation camera version here at Couch's RV Nation if you are interested in that. That way you can use it while driving down the road or in reverse mode, whichever you need to use it for. 6-gallon gas and electric water heater on the corner back here. There is a dump back here, and this is basically for the kitchen sink back here. You have the outdoor kitchen back here, so that is what that is for. So if you're not using the outdoor kitchen, you don't have to worry about it. Cable satellite hookups, detachable power cord right there. City water, fresh water fill, and a little bit of storage area underneath of the bunk. Again, another swinging door with the upgraded lock system. Down below is the low point water drain for the fresh tank. It's right there, just a little twist valve. Slide out is electric. Push a button in and out for the slide. Your main dump area is going to be just in front of the slide. This has your gray tank, your black tank, and your galley tank all located right here. And there's also some low point hot and cold water drains right there too. Gray fiberglass exterior. Other side of the storage compartment. Here you can see your power cord there. Little handles for overriding the jacks. Right here, you're going to find some basic information about the camper. 205/75 R15 D-range tires, 65 PSI, two 500-pound axles, and you have a gross weight of 8,026 pounds. 7,000 pounds on the axles, plus you have hitch weight. That tongue jack is there for a reason. If you cut it off, the thing falls on its face because it's supporting weight of a camper. So that is the reason for the axles being a little different than the overall gross vehicle weight. I get that question a lot. People don't seem to understand that. When you transfer your hitch weight onto the truck, it's definitely good to get a weight distribution hitch also. Now, on the front of the coach, you will also find the dry weight sticker. 6,820 pounds dry. One other thing while we're discussing some of this technical stuff here, the 2020 title changeover. This particular unit was actually built on 3/15 of 2019. You'll know the 2020 changeover by the lettering. Count back 8 letters. The 19s were a K. The new version is an L. So that is the first Alpha Wolf 2020 model that we have received in stock. And again, if you've watched more of my videos, you know we have a mid-year model change, usually around August and September. That is when they actually usually change the product, but they always change titles, usually around March and April every year. I don't know why, the whole RV industry seems to do it, but 2020 model. Be sure to check us out, couchesrvnation.com. Again, my name's Ray. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos, trying to update all these new RVs as they come in. Thanks for checking me out, guys. Give me a call.